Hi, I'm Shweta. She's Ginny, and we are from Ginny's planet. Ginny is a 4 years old with radial club hand. She has total 9 fingers in her hand, and she wears this brace to support her wrist. One day in a workshop, I was telling other children about Ginny, and my 5 year old son walked in. He counted his own fingers and said, I have 9 fingers too. And he smiled and went out of the room. My son was born with radial club hand. Uh, and that day I realized that Guinea's Planet has succeeded in doing for him what we wanted to do for every child we know or come in contact with. We want every child to believe that being different is okay and that nobody is out and out. Starting Guinea's Planet was a personal mission for us. As parents, we realized that if we have to prepare our own son to understand that being different is okay, who would do it? Uh, and who would prepare his friends or his environment to believe the same. As a disability rights and mental health professional over the years, I knew the language, I knew what kind of strategies are already in place. But when I was trying to orient my own son around it, I felt that there was nothing that I could use to help him understand while he was that young. So Guinea's Planet started with a vision to build a world where being different is okay, where nobody's odd one out, where imperfections and diversity is accepted, and everyone has opportunities to flourish. People in this world continue to face ridicule, exclusion, inaccessibility, and that is linked with them being different from the majority, uh, or the level of understanding that other people have about disability or diversity, or just even if they have good intentions to understand about everything, it was linked with lack of exposure to diversity or to things and people who are not like them. So we thought we had to do something that will help people understand the basics of diversity, disability, practicing empathy in everyday life, understanding each other, uh, in a very, very simple way, and a method of finding answers for the questions that they have about people around them, about world around them. So in this context, what do? We simplify the concepts of empathy, respect for diversity, disability, and research, especially for children. We nurture a network of aware, empathic, diversity respecting people who also ask questions. And we connect people from diverse backgrounds in common spaces. So, how do we do that? One part of that is, of course, Guinea. So, children, parents, educators, they can use Guinea to orient children about nuances of being different. So, not thinking of perfect body and perfect ways of being, but celebrating imperfections and accepting imperfections as they are. Ginny and her friends are also part of our stories and storybooks. And that's another way to engage with children on Guinea and aspects of diversity. We also create information videos around empathy, diversity, and disability, along with many other themes. We also do online and offline workshops. And along with these, we are also developing games that people can use to, again, understand the ideas of disability, diversity, and empathy. We also have products like Empathy Box, where we combine different products like Guinea with storybooks and games. So that becomes like a whole package. We are about to complete 2 trips around the sun. So, yes, 2 years. And by now, we have touched 2,700 lives. We have 13 partnerships with various for profit and not for profit entities. And now we're looking forward to launching Guinea Puppet and also other friends of Guinea like Style. We look forward to you all joining our journey, helping us build a world where nobody feels odd one out. Thank you.